Hey, crazy gamer fans, how we doing today? Welcome back to another modeling review. This one is a Abrams M1A2 Operation Iraqi Freedom from Tamiya. It's kit number 269. Now, I'm not gonna build this kit. I got this kit for my son to build. He's 11, and he just started middle school yesterday, and he wants to build a model. We have room now where we moved. We have an extra table, so he wants to start modeling. So I figured a Tamiya kit was the way to go, and especially one with no interior. So nothing on the back. We got some colors for the different callouts there, and these boxes are the same. I got this from the local hobby store, Hobbytown. So we'll take a look at it, and he's gonna attempt to put this together. So we got the book. Oh, let's see here. Oh, well, they're stapled. I've never opened a Tamiya kit. People say Tamiya kits are great. I'm not a fan of Tamiya kits. I would like to apologize too in this video for the lack of videos on building. Moving the studio has took a toll on what I've been able to do, and also my son starting school yesterday, so it's a little tricky to get things done, but we got it taken care of. We got it all worked out, but I should be able to get back to the build videos on the Yag Tiger and things like that. It should be tomorrow. I still have to get one or two more things for the studio in order to have everything organized. This is the lower hall. It's a bath tile stub hall. It's got the bars, the suspension bars already molded on it. I believe this uses a bogey system. It has the tracks that are already made and rubberized, and I believe you just stick them together with some glue and a staple, preferably where it can't be seen. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't seem like too many parts in this kit. We got a figure. We got the cupola. We got some more basket material. Nice detail on that. See all the detail on all this. This is 1/35th scale. I originally got this because my dad was in the Marines and I was going to make it with the Marine color markings, but I don't like Tamiya kits. It's just, I don't know why. Weird. This is some poly caps for the wheels and some screen for the baskets. Then we got some accessories, some bags, a dog. Wow, it actually comes with a dog. My son's gonna love that. Binoculars, jersey cans, things like that. So, oh, and there's also some clear plastic in here. So, and we have the wheels for the bogies. See, I want to say torsion bars because that's all I build for tanks is tanks with torsion bars. But these use bogey system, which is a more effective way of doing it. Alright. Last one of these, and then we'll look at the decals. Oh, another figure, that's cool. So I guess the bags are kind of resealable if you have a staple. They didn't staple the, oh, they did staple the decals. Look at that. Pull that out before I ruin the decals. Oh, they got them hidden in there. That's what they look like. So that's the decals. Now let's take a look at the book here. Let's see what we got. We got some information, tools, starting with the road wheels. Then you got your drive sprockets. A rear assembly panel. These look like lights. It's got different things. Make sure to stick out. Well, you got your attaching your bogies. You got your symbol of your tracks. And you got your. Well, that was about it for the lower deck. Now you got your top deck. Well, when they don't have an interior, they're pretty simple. Wow. And you're working on your turret. Seems like a lot of steps for the turret. And you got your different models. So, this dog, that's so funny, a dog. Oh, I guess it's a thing. Got some accessories here, water bottle, binoculars. Then you have where the accessories go. Then you have your decals. You got your F Company in 2003. Then you got your 4th Platoon F Company 2003. 2nd Platoon C Company, 3rd Battalion 2003. And then here's the one that I want to do for 2nd Platoon B Company, 2nd Marine Tank Battalion, 1st Marine Division, 1st Marine Expeditionary Force, Iraq 2003. That's the markings I want to put on it. So, that's what that's going to look like. And then you got the last one here, 2nd A Company, 1st Battalion, Mechanized Kosovo 99. So you can have the older variant from 99. Well, that's going to do it for this review. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. If you feel generous and you want to help out, you can just sign up for my Patreon. It's in the link will be in the description below. All help is appreciated. I would like to thank all my subscribers and all your support in the comments and sharing my videos. I greatly appreciate it. We're picking up, subscribers, couple subscribers every day, sometimes 3. So I appreciate all your help. Thank you guys so much. And we will get to more building here shortly. I promise you. For Crazy Gamers Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.